Registration desk. For registration desk, person will click on Sign In and select Healthcare Provider. After logging in, the dashboard will display today's appointments, options to create and verify Aadhaar, get appointments, and view or cancel appointments. To generate a token, click on the Consultation Token option. This will show a complete token work list. If the patient is new, the token will appear under New Token, while for returning patients, it will be listed under Follow-up Token. After selecting the token, fill out the OPD billing form. If you need to edit the specialty type, you can do so here. Next, select the OPD fees type and click Submit to generate a bill. You will then need to view your OP slip and print it. If you want to see the generated token list, just click on Bill Token to view it. Users can also register at the registration desk through options like creating Aadhaar, verifying Aadhaar, using an Ayush ID, or scanning and sharing their information. For creating an Aadhaar, there are 3 methods available: Aadhaar OTP, Aadhaar demographic details, and biometric verification. Method 1. Aadhaar OTP. In this method, the patient provides their Aadhaar number and gives consent. An OTP is sent to the mobile number linked with Aadhaar. Once the OTP is received and entered into the system, the Aadhaar is successfully created. Method 2. Aadhaar demographic details. In this option, the patient provides demographic details exactly as mentioned on the Aadhaar card. After submitting these details, the system retrieves the patient's information. The registration staff can then complete the patient registration seamlessly. Method 3. Aadhaar biometric verification. In this method, the patient enters their valid Aadhaar number along with the linked mobile number. Once the details are fetched, the patient verifies their identity by scanning their thumb using a biometric device approved by UIDAI. Upon successful biometric verification, the Aadhaar is created. After Aadhaar creation, once the Aadhaar is created, the patient can access multiple services at the registration desk, including view their profile details, update the communication mobile number, print or download the Aadhaar card, manage appointments through the registration desk. All further services and processes remain the same for the patient after Aadhaar creation. Verifying existing Aadhaar. For patients who already possess an Aadhaar, verification can be carried out easily at the registration desk. This process helps in quickly retrieving patient details and continuing services without repetition. The patient can verify their existing Aadhaar using any one of the following methods: registered mobile number, Aadhaar number, Aadhaar number, Aadhaar address. Once the relevant information is entered, OTP will be sent to the link mobile number, and after receiving the OTP, the patient enters it to verify the account. The system initiates the verification process. After successful verification, the patient's details are displayed, and the registration or related services can be completed smoothly. Registration using Ayush ID and scan and share. Click on the Ayush ID tab. Choose the reason for skipping Aadhaar and click on the Save and Continue button. Click on the Ayush ID tab to proceed with registration using the scan and share method. When registering a patient at the registration desk using an Ayush ID, multiple scenarios are available to support different patient needs and workflows. Scenario 1. Ayush ID or scan. In this scenario, the registration staff can either scan the barcode to fetch the patient's Ayush ID and associated details automatically, or manually enter the Ayush ID into the system. This method enables quick retrieval of patient information and allows the appointment to be scheduled efficiently. To book an appointment by selecting the required department, visit date, and time slot. Select the checkbox and click on the Register button. Once submitted, the patient receives a token number. After selecting the appropriate token, proceed to complete the OPD billing form. If required, the specialty type can be modified at this stage. Next, select the applicable OPD fee type and submit the form to generate the bill. Once the billing process is completed, view the OP slip and print it for the patient. Scenario 2. Demographic details. In this option, the registration staff enters the patient's basic demographic details. Click on Save and Continue button. These details are sufficient to proceed with the appointment booking process without requiring prior identification credentials. To book an appointment by selecting the required department, visit date, and time slot. Select the checkbox and click on the Register button. Once submitted, the patient receives a token number. Choose the checkbox according to the fees type and click on the Submit button. After submitting the details, the bill is generated successfully and the billing receipt is available for viewing. Scenario 3. New registration. In the case of a new registration, the user is required to fill in the basic details, contact details, and other details as explained earlier at the beginning of the process. During this step, a new Ayush ID is created for the patient, and the appointment is booked simultaneously. This ensures that first-time patients are registered and onboard smoothly. To book an appointment by selecting the required department, visit date, and time slot. Select the checkbox and click on the Register button. Once submitted, the patient receives a token number. Choose the checkbox according to the fees type and click on the Submit button. Once the billing process is completed, view the OP slip and print it for the patient. Method 4. Scan and share. Using the Scan and Share method, the patient can scan a QR code to securely share their details with the registration desk. Based on the shared information, the appointment is booked and a token is generated instantly for the patient. The registration desk can view or cancel patient appointments by clicking on the View Cancel Appointment option, searching using the Aadhaar number, Aadhaar address, Ayush ID, or mobile number. After generating a token, the patient proceeds to the OPD.